Listen to part of a conversation between a professor and a student.
Good afternoon, Professor Duncan. I didn't make an appointment this afternoon, but I was wondering if I could ask you a few follow-up questions about the lecture this morning.
Okay. I have a few minutes to spare, so what is your question?
I would like to talk to you about the research assignment.
All right. What is that you would like to know? Do you have questions about content, or procedure?
I guess it's kind of both, since I am having trouble organizing. I don't know where to begin. Do I need to write the introduction first, and then the methodology, and the body afterward?
Just hold on. First, you need to understand the scope and purpose of the assignment. And then, choose a topic, and start a preliminary search for information. Here, you need to locate materials, and evaluate your sources. After that, you may want to make notes, and organize your research. While you are doing that, you should develop your thesis, and start writing your first draft.
Then, where does the methodology come in?
I'm pretty sure I went over this on the first day in class.
I'm sorry, but I missed the first lecture that day because I slept in.
Well, I don't have time to go over this with you again, so I suggest you see the assistant in the writing department. He will review the contents that were discussed in the first lecture in detail.
Okay, I'll go there and do that right away. Thank you for your help, Professor.
Question 2. In the conversation, the professor describes how to write a research paper. Put the steps in the correct order. Drag each answer choice to the space where it belongs. One of the answer choices will not be used. Question 3. Why does the professor mention the assistant in the writing department?